welcome to DelfStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Field Depot task in Arc Raiders, specifically for the mission called Off the Radar. First, open the map and go to the Dam Battlegrounds area. You need to look between the old Battleground and the South Swamp Outpost. This is where the Field Depot is located. Once you reach that area, look for a building that has a blue tarp hanging down. This is an important visual clue, so take your time and scan the surroundings carefully. When you find the building, do not go inside right away. Instead, look for yellow ladders on either side of the structure. Use one of these ladders to climb up to the roof. After you reach the top, move carefully across the roof until you find the antenna. It should be clearly visible once you are up there. Now go close to the antenna and interact with it. This will repair the antenna and complete the Field Depot objective for the mission. After interacting, you may hear a strange audio cue or dialogue. This is part of the mission, so do not worry. Your next step is to safely return after completing the interaction. Thanks for watching.